Okay, in this video I'm going to guide you as to how you can create hotel deals, and using those deals you can attract travelers to book your property. Okay, so how to do that? Okay, once you are logged in to your dashboards, then go to hotel deals. Over here you need to select the hotel, so that's the hotel name we have. Then you need to enter the hotel deal name. Okay, so I have already created one. I'm just going to copy it from here. Okay, so the deal name I am entering is winter deal, 10% off. Okay, next is deal description. So you need to give us the small description as to or what traveler can expect in this particular deal. So for example, we have already created one, so I'm going to just copy it. Let's just go over there. So basically what we are doing is I read out the deal for you. So basically what we want is we want advance booking. So we have made this deal where we are telling a traveler that book in advance and get 10% additional discount booking period between 1st October till 30th November. So that's what we want. Okay, so make your deal, then put the start date and end date. So let's say my start date is the same date and end date. So basically remember that the end date is the date on which your deal will stop or will vanish from our website. Okay, so it will not be anymore visible to the traveler. So put the end date accordingly. So let's say I want my end date of deal to be, for example, 1st of or not October, because that's the date. So 30th September. Okay, because 1st October is the date on which I want a booking. So 30th November is the date, last date which I have put, and then create. So once you do that, so your deal has been created. Now you just go to hotel deals, this manage hotel deal tab, and you can see your hotel deal over here. So once you have made your deal live, you can even go to our website, go to hotel deals page, and then you will see your deal over here. And same way travelers can see that deal. And once you go to your hotel main hotel page, to scroll down, then your deal is visible on the hotel page itself. Okay, now travelers who will come to our website, they will look into the deal, they will go to hotel deals page, and then they will find your deal, and then they will contact you. So basically they will click over here and come to your property page, and they can watch your contact details and watch your property details and all the stuff, and then they can using the details you have provided, they will contact you. Okay, so that's how you will create your deal. Okay, now let's say you have created your deal, but now you do not want it to run any further. So you can even stop it, because as I told you, your deal will stop by default on the end date you have selected. But if you want, you can forcefully stop it. To forcefully stop it, again you just come to once you are logged in, go to hotel deals page, go to manage hotel deals, and then the deal which you want to stop, you can just click on stop, and then yes, and this deal will automatically get stopped. Okay, now if you guys go to this, your deal has been stopped and it won't be visible again on your hotel listing page and also on hotel detail page.